Hello friends, thank you for liking my previous video on hypothyroidism where I explained the causes, symptoms and the role of homeopathy in the treatment of hypothyroidism. Yes, it is completely curable under homeopathic medicines, and as I told you that the next video I will be talking about the diet, yoga and mudra. So here it is. Okay, so as you know that this hypothyroidism, this makes your body sensitive to weight gain. So basic guidelines are saying that you have to have balanced diet, and the first thing is I'll be talking about the food in general. So first let's start with the cereals. So the cereals, you have to have whole wheat. It should have choker, it should not be of the refined flour, and you should have variety of cereals, like you can have oats, you can have ragi, and so this is most important. Next, when we come about the legumes, this chola and the kala chana, they are important, and in moderation you take all variety of dal, but particularly that soya bean and is this inhibits in the absorption of iodine, so it hinders in the thyroid function, so this is to be avoided. Next is peanuts, they also do the same, so it should also be avoided. You can have them in moderation. Okay, and कच्चा peanut, जो कच्चा मूंगफली, वो तो बिल्कुल नहीं लेना है. So next comes about the fruits and vegetables. The vegetables में there is it's very popular then that cruciferous vegetables like cabbage and cauliflower, broccoli, these they have to be avoided because they are goitrogenic, that is they inhibit the function of the thyroid. Okay, so yes, they should be avoided in raw form, but in boiled and cooked form you can have them in moderation, and broccoli can be taken in the boiled form. Okay, so because that is very rich in antioxidants. Next comes the fruits. Okay, vegetables में carrots and this spinach, this is important. And next is about the fruits. Banana you can have because it is rich in iodine, and then there is pineapple, it is rich in manganese. And peas, green peas are rich in zinc, so they can be taken because zinc, selenium, manganese is required for thyroid metabolism. And fruits में you can have citrus fruits and apple, all type of fruits. Basically pineapple and banana, they are very nice. And plums you have to avoid. And next is there are some seeds, nuts which are helpful, and they are chia seeds. Then there is sunflower seed and pumpkin seed, flax seeds. Okay, so they are rich in antioxidants. And walnuts and almonds, you can soak them overnight and take it in the morning. Next is about yes, you have to avoid packaged and the processed food because they are rich in sodium, and they sodium and potassium, they interfere with this thyroid metabolism. Okay, next is yes, you have to avoid sugar and coffee and excess of oily food. And then next is milk products. Yeah, they are very like you can have yogurt and milk, it should be toned milk. And then next is probiotics. Okay, it is yogurt and curd and the fermented food like our idli, dosa and khaman, dhokla. And next is this probiotic is important. And omega-3 fatty acid that I told you, okay, it's rich in flaxseed is there. Okay, so this is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. And there are some मसाले जो हमारे किचन में रहते हैं, दे आर वेरी हेल्पफुल, लाइक सिनेमन, दालचीनी, और उसके अलावा जो गार्लिक है, और टर्मरिक, हल्दी, कच्ची हल्दी जो आती है, यू कैन हैव जिंजर टी और टर्मरिक टी, तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो गुड, इट बूस्ट अप द metabolism. Okay, so basically these are the general specific food which helps in the thyroid. Okay, and they go well for the weight reduction also. Okay, so this was all about diet. And the next is about the yoga. Okay, so this is, I told कि this is very important because yoga, diet, mudra, they are the one pillar of the thyroid treatment along with the homeopathic interventions. Okay, So yoga में the basically the yoga poses which stretches our neck, they are helpful in thyroid gland, because these yoga posture they stimulate the thyroid gland and enhances its normal hormonal secretion. Okay, so I'll be telling you the names, and you can go through internet and find see how exactly it is performed. So it is फर्स्ट इज़ हलासन, सर्वांगासन. इन सब में आप देखोगे नेक हमारी पीछे जाती स्ट्रेच होती है. ओके, हलासन, सर्वांगासन, सेतुबंधासन एंड कैट पोज, भुजंगासन एंड सेतुबंध के भी बहुत सारे वैरायटीज़ होते हैं. तो ये सारे योगा आप करेंगे अगर ये आपकी नेक एरिया को स्ट्रेच करेंगे, थायराइड को स्टिमुलेट करेंगे. एज आई सेड कि इट शुड बी एटलीस्ट 1 आवर सेशन होना चाहिए योगा एंड मेडिटेशन का. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज़ अबाउट प्राणायाम. प्राणायाम में हमारा ओम चैंटिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज जब हम ओम बोलते हैं ना तो उसकी वाइब्रेशंस यहाँ नेक में फील होती हैं. सो उसके वेरिएशंस हैं ओम चैंटिंग की. लाइक जब आप एक्सेल कर रहे हैं देन यू क्लोज योर माउथ एंड की आवाज़ आनी चाहिए. सो इट शुड गिव अ वाइब्रेशन टू योर थ्रोट. एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ लाइक उज्जैनी है, उज्जयी प्राणायाम है. ओके, तो वो भी बहुत अच्छा रहता है. उससे कफ होगा व्हेन यू डू इट, लेकिन इट इज़ वेरी नाइस. ओके, व्हेन यू डू इट फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड इट इज़ नाइस. एंड सो दिस इज़ भ्रामरी, उज्जयी, ओम चैंटिंग, कपालभाति, अनुलोम विलोम. बेसिकली ये सारे जितने भी 7-8 प्राणायाम है आपको रेगुलरली करने ही हैं. ओके, नाउ मुद्रा आई एम टेलिंग दिस द वन. अगेन मुद्रा ऑल्सो बहुत सारे हैं, बट बेसिकली 2-3 आई एम टेलिंग यू. अगर आप वो भी रेगुलर बेसिस पे करेंगे, बिकॉज ये सब चीज़ें रेगुलर बेसिस पे करने पर ही इफेक्टिव होते हैं. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट इज सूर्य मुद्रा. सूर्य, एज यू नो, इट इंक्रीजेज अवर मेटाबॉलिज्म. सूर्य अग्निदेव. ओके, सूर्य का. तो इसमें क्या करते हैं, दिस रिंग फिंगर you have to bring it to the base of the thumb. Okay, and press this tip of the thumb to the tip of the ring finger. You seeing this? Okay, you have to perform this with the both hands. Okay, this is called Surya Mudra. तो at least 5 to 10 minutes at a sitting you have to do this, because ये मुद्रा basically 45 minutes इन अ डे जानी चाहिए. बट अगर आप उसको 10 मिनट्स में भी एट अ टाइम कर रहे हैं तो दिस विल स्टिमुलेट योर थायराइड ग्लैंड. सो दिस वाज अबाउट सूर्य मुद्रा. नेक्स्ट इज़ द शंख मुद्रा. ओके, सो हेयर यू आप ये जो थंब है ना, लेफ्ट हैंड का थंब, ये राइट हैंड से इसको पूरा प्रेस करेंगे एंड योर इंडेक्स फिंगर ऑफ द लेफ्ट हैंड विल टच द थंब ऑफ द राइट हैंड. आपका इस तरह से पोज आएगा. ठीक है, शंख जैसा बनेगा. एंड यू हैव टू कीप इट टू योर चेस्ट, क्लोज टू योर चेस्ट, एंड टेक डीप ब्रीदिंग एंड क्लोज योर आइज. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड शंख मुद्रा एंड दिस स्टिमुलेट्स आपका थ्रोट के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. एंड इफ़ एनीबडी हैज़ वॉइस हॉर्सनेस और थ्रोट इरिटेशन, उसमें भी बहुत अच्छा है. एंड इट स्टिमुलेट्स द इंटेस्टाइन्स. So definitely it stimulates our digestive system. Okay, so these are about the mudra. So this is the thing which you can do from your side, and do it daily on the regular basis. The one thing is very sure, yes, medicines can cure it completely, homeopathic medicines, but you have to practice these things from your side. Okay, so stay safe, stay happy, and keep doing yoga, and have proper diet. If you have any problem, you can consult me for the homeopathic treatment, because these medicines are absolutely safe and they give you permanent cure, not only for your major illness but all the minor illness. All the diseases will be cured by your single one homeopathic doctor, and you need not be going to the other different doctors, because in hypothyroidism there are a lot of diseases which are related, there will be disturbances in periods, there will be digestive disorders, constipation, and so like lot of organs are involved here. So you need not go to other different specialty doctors. You can come to single one homeopathic doctor, and you will get the permanent treatment for hypothyroidism. Okay, so take care, stay safe. See you soon again with next videos.